How to change your Discord username from your phone. You can follow along this tutorial on your iOS or your Android device. I will use Android in this tutorial, but you can always follow it along on your other devices, your other OSs, Discord supports. Without further ado, before we start the actual tutorial, if you want to see more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Okay, here we go. Just open your phone and then just go to your Discord application, and then from there just click the bottom right navigation menu or your profile menu. You will be presented with the user settings screen, and then from there just choose my account. Now if you want to change your username, just choose username from the my account under account information subsection. So for example, I will change mine and add a 0 on the back of it, and if you are done, just click save and then just enter your password. Press save, and voila, settings successfully updated, and now my name contains a 0 on the back of it. But now as you can see that my username is already changed. Voila, that's how you edit or change your username on Discord application. If you find this content helpful and you wanted to see more of these, then please do not hesitate to subscribe, like and comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us at TechTricks to cover, please do not hesitate to put it on the comment section down below. Cheers, I hope it helps. Take care, you too. Till the next tutorial.